Something about being in the silence and the stillness and the beauty is just healing. And so photography is just a natural way to express my own love of the natural world. Normally when one is out doing photography, they carry a number of different lenses with them. Normally my bag is full. You've got 30, 40 pounds of gear. But here, with one lens, you can go and shoot pretty much anything.
Oh, where'd that smile go? There we go. Great smile.
If you're out with your family, you can capture the kids playing in the campground.
I'm gonna do it one more time.
You can then turn around and capture the animals in the distance. So this lens is built for a crop sensor camera. And when zoomed all the way out on a crop sensor camera, it's reaching the equivalent of up to 620 millimeters, an incredible reach for a lens like this. And so it's just ideal for quickly capturing those moments before they slip away.